All right, so this is a little side-by-side comparison. That's the original Ducati GT 1000 saddlebag. I like it very much. I've toured with it many times across country. And this is a slightly smaller, kind of like trimmed down version that I just made. Just finished it. I was kind of working on it during COVID. I had some leather lying around, and I wanted to do something that's more like an overnight bag, kind of a little bit smaller around town. White interior, gets dirty, but you can see stuff. It's got a bunch of different little hidden pockets. First time I made a handle like that. I like it. Turned out pretty cool. It's definitely looks pretty similar to the original. Just a little smaller.